So viewers, today I'll be showing you my new ceiling fan made by Harbor Breeze. Yep, our new ceiling fan. You heard me right. I don't got the box, but I got the papers. We just got done with a really big project. We got this installed. Sorry, I just turned it off. I'm gonna show you. Let's spin up. Show you the light. It's a little noisy, but it's pretty good for a little Harbor Breeze. Very nice. I'm not gonna mess with the chains because I don't want to break it, even though we just installed it. I better be careful. I'm gonna show you guys the shed. Now, I want to say something before y'all comment on how messy it is, because I'm too tired to clean it right now. I've been working since my grandparents got here, which was around. It was early this morning. So let me show you guys. So, when we go outside, sorry, I'm like real tired, so I'm gonna plug up this new extension cord. It's absolutely huge. It goes all the way to the shed, which we've wired up. We got an AC. I don't remember how many, unfortunately, I can't remember how many BTUs it was, unfortunately. But we got a light. Sorry, it's really messy. Some lights that are gonna go over this thing, probably. And then we got the AC unit. So, that is some nice cool air. I can sit in here for a little bit. Let's see here. It's at max. High cool, high fan. Let's turn it off a bit. There's not even a hole in the bottom, so it's gonna rust, but that's fine. Let's turn on the high fan. Very nice. Looks like I found stuff. Seems pretty nice. I'm not really sure if we're supposed to take that foam out or not. But anyway. Very nice. So what we did is... What's that? That's fine. But anyway, so yeah. We drilled a hole. And now we have stuff. So... yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, I know Jordan, if you're watching this, I doubt you're going to, because I'm a pretty crappy YouTuber. But I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be a drain on the bottom. There's not a drain, so that's gonna suck. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to take that foam out. I'm gonna have to look at the instructions. Anyway, guys, that'll be it for today's video. Like, subscribe, you know the drill. Bye.